The league is about to start, and as some fans were too, we want to cover a lot of games. But Bafethu, it's not easy because we don't have a sponsor. So we are asking for our donations. Please donate. Any amount will be appreciated. And when you donate, please make sure you use the Capitec business account. Please donate on this account. Thanks, Bafethu. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the MTN8, Orlando Pirates 2, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by Lisandawana.
Olo kabuyelo Masandawana, molelo gona kaofela Brazil, Namibia, America, everywhere Masandawana get Thobela ke yona Masandawana.
The Brazil
Pirates na le lucky me bro.
Pirates na le lucky.
Pirates e dlala pole sharp.
Yeah.
Pirates is better than 14 teams in South Africa.
Yeah.
Pirates is better.
Yeah.
Mara is better than 14 teams in South Africa.
Yeah.
Pirates get 15.
Yeah.
Kona le ya 16 kwa godimo.
Kevin Abuti.
E dlala le kwa bo Borussia Dortmund me.
Kevin Abuti.
Sundowns me bro. Do you know what Sundowns di ampuno? T-shirt ya Sundowns ne?
Yeah.
Me bro. Wa bona masio bana ne?
Yeah.
Newborn.
Yeah.
O ka mo rekela nen. Ay gana ra sharp. Wa mo rekela mangagana.
Yeah.
Mo rekela T-shirt ya Sundowns tla ba ra ngwana o tla go lala sharp. O mo rekela extra large me bro ne. Fa newborn T-shirt ya Sundowns.
O tla ba
re mo rekela masi ba ra msonela. O mo rekela ba ra msonela. O mo itshe doctor. O re ke ba dimo. A se ba dimo me bro. Rekela ngwana T-shirt ya Sundowns.
Yeah.
Ka buyelo Masandawana.
Ore Pirates is better than 40.
Pirates is better than 14 teams in South Africa.
Ke number 50.
Yona ke 50.
Yes.
But Pirates is better than 14 teams in South Africa.
Yes.
I'm not wrong. You're like a bro. Never to understand the football.
Yeah.
Pirates is better than 14 teams, me bro. Nkaribana me bro. Pirates Chiefs go ibala kwa 16 me bro. Pirates is better than Amazulu. Golden Arrows.
Yeah.
Go fair, my bro. Ya fetcha ka Chiefs kwa mora number 16.
Yeah.
Pirates is better than those teams.
Mara not better than.
Me bro, arabana ba America re. Remember bro kana ra America ra dlala. Papa matla bona America ka bo Chris Brown ba tlo perform Soccer City.
Yeah.
Na America re ra dlala. Ba tla bona bo Eminem. O tla bona bo Eminem mo tla bona Soccer City me bro. America re ya.
Wena mo bonila.
Ba tsamaile ka dilo.
O mo bonila.
Hela me bro. O ba go Sandawana me bro. O bona ka San Pretoria ne. Ko dlala go apara T-shirt ya ke rekile go America me bro.
Yeah.
And in doing with Santorin Shape is a Sundowns fan me bro. Ke nna mkhwanazi wa football no.
Inside the file.
Me bro.
Inside the file.
O ka ya Total Sport. A go ne T-shirt ya Sundowns.
Yeah.
Wa Total Sport ya Pietersburg. Johannesburg everywhere ga gona T-shirt ya Sundowns. Mara ka Brazil T-shirt ya Sundowns gona Total Sport. Ka America Sundowns T-shirt e gona ka Total Sport. Wa mo South Africa.
Ke sabotage.
Ba fete tlolang gore sabotage. Ngwana nyoko go la support Sundowns.
I support.
Mara ba re sabotage. O re ka ya no ka o me bro. Ka go rekela T-shirt ya Sundowns ke a tseba wa e rata mare fela wa tsa ro ka ga batho. Ba se thola me bro. Trebo ba le mapakane ba fetu. Ba tletse go le right ne. Re happy ka baka la bana bang. Re kopana le bona re safe. Ba ba happy. A ba re go batho ba bana go.
Shejola la ka sulu
Ke ba mama
Ya bro.
Ali le khain la bone ke ba.
Go ra ba banga ba happy me bro.
sulu praya.
Abana ba bogela Sundowns. A ke mathata. No ba shetse ba re Sundowns e tlamile re shape Pirates. Ba ntshepa. Na go di amera kwa ka ke ba palle bona mo. Na go di amera kwa ka. Thank
you Sandawana. Thank you Sandawana. Thank you Sandawana.
Ah, ke ke.